G'day! This computer here is a good example of why you need to unplug everything to test it when you have a dead computer. Right now, this one's a slightly older computer that I built probably around about 2 years ago. I think I got a 5600G, a Kingston A2000 NVMe drive, 16 gig of DDR 3200 I believe that is. Just a standard Cool Master power supply. And right now you press the power button on top and nothing is happening. So far I've tried a different power supply, tried it without the SSD installed, without RAM installed, all making no difference. But then I went down here and disconnected front panel audio, USB and USB 3. I found with USB 3 this system would post. And it wasn't until I looked around the front of the computer, which if I can twist this computer while holding the camera, going around the front, looking at the top ports, one of those is not like the other. So right now on one of the USB 3, on the USB 3 port, its power is touching earth and it's completely, well, the power supply is going, I'm assuming has some form of overload protection. So instead of it trying to electrify the whole case, it just switches itself off. So if I disconnect the USB 3 down here, and if I go up and press the power button, it is alive once more. So what I could probably do is either remove those pins and leave the cable plugged in, or I'll just go with the simple one of leaving the USB 3 header disconnected with the broken port here. So that's why it's always worthwhile disconnecting everything when you have a computer that refuses to start. This one's now starting and is all good. Anyway, don't rule anything out. Bye.